Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 26, Section 3. The instruction is, after each of the following sentences is a list of possible interpretations. Choose the option that is most appropriate for each sentence. So the sentence given to us is, when the show was about to begin, we were still at 6s and 7s. This means that they were A. confused, B. in groups, C. excited, D. far away. So the expression we are looking at here, or we are to take note of, is at 6s and 7s. At 6s and 7s. Now, at 6s and 7 means at or in a total state of confusion or disarray. So this is the meaning of at 6s and 7s. The expression means in a total state of confusion or disarray. So from the options we see here, option A is confused. Option A is confused, and we have described the meaning of at 6s and 7s as a state of confusion or disarray. So confusion is a word that can be used to represent the meaning of at 6s and 7s. Therefore, the correct answer here is option A, which is confused. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.